tell you that I miss you, and I don't wanna talk about no issues. Holding you down was kinda my thing, but now I feel like everything I do to you is just a blowing whistle. Come to my place, everything you have to say, tell it to my face. Do you really mean it? Telling it to you cause you always hurt on my feelings. Wasn't supposed to say cause I'm a man. You were never in love with who I am. But anyway, hope you know I'm willing to love you like any day. Cause me and you together, no matter the weather, you see me better. So there's no contender. And I'm so tired of the distance. For instance, how many times have we did this? But listen, love is not just a sentence, and you didn't earn this.
You don't even give a fuck about me no more. Why do you have to do this to me? I really care about you. I just wanna be yours forever. I just want you.